Love is a beautiful and complex emotion that can deepen and evolve over time. In long-term relationships, it's natural for the initial spark to dim, but that doesn't mean the flame of love has to go out. In this video, we'll explore 3 powerful ways to stay in love and keep your relationship vibrant and fulfilling. Whether you're in a new romance or have been together for years, these strategies can help you nurture and sustain the love you share. 1. Cultivate communication. One of the most critical factors in maintaining a loving relationship is effective communication. As time goes on, couples may find themselves communicating less or assuming they already know everything about each other. However, this can lead to misunderstandings and emotional distance. To stay in love, make a conscious effort to keep the lines of communication open. Regularly check in with your partner, not just about the mundane details of life but also about your feelings, desires, and dreams. Actively listen to what your partner has to say, show empathy, and express your thoughts and emotions honestly. Don't be afraid to discuss any issues or concerns that arise in a respectful and loving manner. By nurturing open and honest communication, you'll create a strong foundation for lasting love. 2. Prioritize quality time together. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to let quality time with your partner take a back seat. However, spending meaningful moments together is crucial for staying in love. Dedicate time to connect with your partner without the distractions of work, screens, or other commitments. Plan regular date nights or weekend getaways to rekindle the romance and excitement in your relationship. Engage in activities that both of you enjoy, whether it's a shared hobby, exploring new adventures, or simply cuddling up for a cozy night in. These shared experiences strengthen your bond and remind you of the joy you find in each other's company. 3. Embrace growth and change. Love is not static, it evolves as you and your partner grow and change. To stay in love, it's essential to embrace this evolution rather than resisting it. Encourage each other's personal growth and support one another's dreams and aspirations. Recognize that both you and your partner will face challenges and undergo transformations. Instead of fearing these changes, view them as opportunities to deepen your connection. Adaptability and flexibility are key to navigating the ups and downs of life together. Conclusion. In summary, staying in love is an ongoing journey that requires effort and commitment. By cultivating open communication, prioritizing quality time together, and embracing growth and change, you can keep the flame of love burning bright in your relationship. Remember that love is a beautiful adventure, and with these strategies, you can make it a lasting one.